What if I told you that every time you've tried the viral lemon cleaning tricks and they didn't work, it wasn't because the tricks are fake, but because you're missing one critical step that nobody mentions? What if there's a specific way to use lemons that makes them 10 times more effective? And once you know it, every lemon cleaning hack suddenly works like magic? I discovered this secret after failing repeatedly, and the difference was so dramatic that I need to share this with you immediately. Watch to the end, because this will finally make lemon cleaning work for you. The frustration of failed cleaning hacks. You've seen them everywhere. Those viral videos showing lemons magically cleaning microwaves, removing stains, making faucets shine, eliminating odors. They look so easy, so effective. So you try them. You cut a lemon. You rub it on your cutting board or your faucet or wherever the video showed, and nothing. Or maybe it works a tiny bit, but nowhere near the dramatic results the video promised. You feel frustrated, deceived. You think, these hacks are fake, they're just for views. And you go back to your expensive chemical cleaners, disappointed once again. The critical mistake everyone makes. Here's what nobody tells you. Room temperature lemons don't work. Cold lemons from the refrigerator definitely don't work. The secret is heat. Warm lemons release their citric acid and essential oils at a much higher concentration. When you microwave a lemon for just 20 to 30 seconds before using it, the heat activates the compounds that do the actual cleaning. This is the difference between a lemon that barely works and a lemon that performs miracles. Let me prove this to you with a specific example. I had a cutting board with turmeric stains that I'd tried cleaning with a cold lemon. Minimal effect. I took another lemon, microwaved it for 25 seconds, cut it, rubbed it on the same stains. Within 30 seconds, I could see the stains visibly fading. Within 2 minutes, they were completely gone. Same board, same type of stain, same rubbing motion. The only difference was the temperature of the lemon. The warm lemon was exponentially more effective. How to actually use lemon cleaning tricks. Here's the correct method for any lemon cleaning hack. First, microwave your whole lemon for 20 to 30 seconds. It should feel warm to the touch, not hot. If you're using lemon for microwave cleaning, cut it in half. Place both halves in a microwave-safe bowl with water and microwave for 3 minutes. The steam created will be supercharged with citric acid and lemon oils. Wipe the microwave immediately while everything is still warm. This combination of heat and lemon compounds dissolves grease and food splatters effortlessly. The results that finally match the videos. When I started using warm lemons instead of cold ones, every single lemon cleaning hack suddenly worked exactly as advertised. My microwave cleaning became effortless. Stains on my countertops disappeared. My stainless steel sink developed that showroom shine. The garbage disposal smell vanished completely. And I finally understood why these hacks had gone viral in the first place. They actually work brilliantly when done correctly. The frustrating part is that this crucial detail about temperature is almost never mentioned in viral videos. Why this changes everything. Understanding that temperature matters doesn't just fix lemon cleaning. It changes how you approach all natural cleaning methods. Warm vinegar cleans better than cold vinegar. Warm baking soda paste works faster than cold. Heat activates natural cleaning compounds across the board. This principle applies universally. Once you understand this, you're not just following random hacks. You're understanding the science behind natural cleaning, which means you can adapt and troubleshoot any method. Now you know the reason your lemon cleaning tricks keep failing and exactly how to fix it. Warm your lemons first. That's the secret that changes everything. If this finally solved why lemon hacks never worked for you, hit that like button right now. Subscribe to The Big Sweep and turn on notifications for more natural cleaning secrets that actually work. Share this with anyone who's given up on lemon cleaning. Comment if you're trying warm lemons today. I clicked the link in the description box below to join our free cleaning community. I'll see you next time. Until then, stay curious, clean naturally, and remember, temperature matters more than you think.